Check it out, just got this. Perfect for Christmas. Get these at Costco. So, let's go ahead and pull them out. There's two of them in here. Check, see it? And already cut them out of their thing. So you get a red and a blue one. Kind of nice, huh? Wonder Spheres. All right, so the first thing I think we have to do is get them out of the case. And then we have to charge them, right? So there's a little thing on here, remove first. So that you have to remove this first for some reason. I guess we just pull it off. That's it. It's a little itty bitty pin, right? And I'm looking to see how they charge. Oh wow, look, it's already charged. It's already doing something. I think I go like this. And it turns on, maybe this way. Shit. So I'm not quite sure how it works. There's a little thing on top. If I do it like this, it should start. Right. That's it. Shit. All right, this is going to take a while to learn how to do. But yeah, so that's that one. Let me put this pin back in and see if it turns it off. All right, so let's look and see what's in here because it's got to give us more direction, right? So I'm gonna undo the bottom like that. Reach in and pull this. All right, so now we've got. Of course, it never wants to unhook by itself. It's like a complicated puzzle. Maybe. Oh, I gotta pull it like this. There we go. All right, so now we're ready to go. All right, so now we've got a special ball thing. We've got some instructions. Put that over there. Right, so I did receive this, and this is the charger. Okay, I see. So this is much different than other ones. I'm going to show you here in a second. So that little pin that we put in there, first of all, it comes with a screwdriver, and it comes with this USB, but it's got this little pin in it. Now, if you remember, this right here was in there. So we pull that out, right? Then we take this, and if you look, you're going to see there's a little hole in there. You see it? I got to put that into that hole. You got to get it in there. See how I got it in there? And then this, we got to hook up to our, I got a block right here. So I got to do that. Okay, so we got it plugged in, right? And then all we got to do is get it on here. Smush it in. And you see that red light went on right there. Watch, I'll pull it out. Now watch when I push it in. See that? Now you know it's charging. So then we just let this sit on here and charge up. And that's basically it. Now you want to hang on to this maybe, or maybe not. You might not need that. You may need this. And then here are the instruction book. So this is the instruction booklet. It's got a little base. So let's try the base. See if I can set it on the base. I think I gotta stick it through these holes. It doesn't really get, how does this work? Do I put it through there? I don't know, this is ridiculous. Apparently all you do is just kind of set it like that. And that's how you set it on the base. That's what it says. I don't know if it'll slip all the way down or maybe not. Maybe it hits the propellers, you know? So here, look. See, it's hitting this one propeller here. So, yeah. But anyway, yeah. Bam. Done. That's as good as it's going to get for me.